Hello everyone, I'm Harder D. We're back playing Estranged Act 1. We're gonna jump back into... Oh, come on, where is it? We're gonna jump back into the, Oh, I have a zoom in button. We're jumping back in on the controller because I like controllers, and it's a whole lot simpler. Because as you can see, I was already messing up how often I was shooting things. Come on. I don't even... Oh, loading. Alright. Loading. Come on, game. Jeez, that took forever. You'd almost assume this was a PlayStation 1 game. Maybe it is a PlayStation 1 game. I don't know. No, these graphics don't look as... Not like PlayStation 1 graphics. I don't know. They had a pretty good range, I guess. Like, look at Final Fantasy 9. That was a Final Fantasy... I mean, that was a PlayStation 1, and it wasn't Final Fantasy 7's block characters. Jeez, that was bad. Let's face it, Final Fantasy 7 was the original Lego block game before Lego games came out. I don't care what anyone says. Oh, hey, what's up? Oh, sweet. Sleeping bag. Can I get in there? No. Can I get inside the tent? No. Ah, oops. Alright. What do we got? Oh, there's a cabin or something. I don't feel comfortable walking around with a gun out. Like, I feel like I'm the asshole in this game. Hello, sorry, I don't mean to brandish a gun, but... Oh, itchy nose. I don't mean to brandish a gun. The game just kind of makes me, though. Oh, what's this? Oh, that's some circuitry. Can I play with that? Nope. No playing with that. Probably for the best. I mean, last thing I want is to knock these guys' power out. Where's that? Hello? Anyone inside? There's a lot of wood here. Knock, knock. Oh, it's like a little cafe. Ooh, tall glass of water? Oh, there's the Coke. You can try to disguise it. I know what I'm looking at. That is a Coke. Hello? I forgot I have a flashlight. Alright. Whoa, what's this? What's this? What's this? What's this? Ooh, ammo. Fuck yeah. Ooh, cold. Oh, it says cold. No, that's Coca-Cola. Don't bullshit in the game. I know a Coke when I see... What the hell's that? Is there... No, there's nothing else in here. Can I steal money or something? Nope. Alright. They're probably all hiding because I'm walking around with a gun brandish. I mean, who wouldn't be scared? Huh? Oh! Oh, hello! Hello, are you friendly? I'm probably gonna say no. Ooh. Reload. Sorry, buddy. Next time, like, if you have to ask me a question, just, like, politely walk up and be like, excuse me, sir. Not, I'm running at you and growling. Alright, what else we got? Ooh, a payphone. Hello? Hello? Margaret? Oh, this doesn't help. Jeez, I hate when people vandalize. Anything over here? Oh, hey, what's up, buddy? Yep, this is why you wear your seatbelt, kids. Otherwise, you explode. National Nature Reserve. Alright. Running more. Can I jump up on these things? By these things, I mean cars. Whoop. 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 Am I not supposed to go this way? I am, like, glitching out. Alright, so I don't think I have to go this way. Where the poop am I supposed to go? I've already handled with, you know... okay. There we go. Okay. Okay. Let that be all. I do not want any other people jumping out at me and being all like, I'm a spooky! Anyone? Hello? Stop. In the name of love. How do I get in? Oh, wait, there's a crouch option. Don't fire your gun. Don't fire your gun. Ah, there it is. Biggest thing, just don't shoot your gun. Hello? Anyone in here? Where is everybody? Go inside. There we go. Ooh, what's that? Nope, not the plate. Not a Coke. Come on, I just want the... I throw a chair at it. Get out of here, chair. Yay, more ammo! That might take like a long while. Ah, a bunch of stuff, okay. Looks like check-ins and such. Hello? I'm looking for a guy's wife and child. If you are the wife and child, do not jump out. I probably will shoot you. Oh, hey, check this out. What's it like? Oh, hey! Whoa, 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 whoa! That is rude! Get out of here! Rude! Jeez, the other guy took like 1 shot, and you took like 52. There's not 50 back here! You asshole. Make me waste my bullets. Just you wait. Next time, oh, you're gonna get the comeuppance. Wow, this flashlight sucks. What? Oh, they trapped me in here. They think I'm scared. I am not scared. I'm a brave boy. I'm a brave boy that has no idea where I'm going. Here, let's run a bit. You know, speed through. Oh, is there movement? I honestly cannot tell. Huh? Anyone want to, you know, get some of this? I got a whole lot of this, and I'm willing to give some. So come and get some. Some boxes. Okay. Oh, shit. Forgot my battery. There we go. I'll turn off my flashlight. Hey, how do I get in there? I don't know. Come on in here. Hello? Any baddies? Anyone? Oh, hi. What's this? Filing cabinet. Can I pick that up? No, I can't. Okay. Haha! Throw a plate! What do we got? Main power. Well, then turn it on. Okay, then turn this off. I don't know. Do something. I feel like I should be doing something, but... Come on. Come on. Fine. Hello? Okay. That seems to be a nice little safe room. Ooh, we have a wrench. We have flashlight. More bandages. Fantastic. Can I turn something on? Oh, I probably need one of these. Okay, that makes sense. Oh, there it goes. Oh, nope, not a chair. Can you stop picking up everything besides the one thing that we want? There we go. Oh yeah, check that out. I am the master of fixing. Alright. Oh yeah, check that out. I am the master smith. What's going on? What's down here? Huh? Huh? Anyone want to mess with me? Zombies gonna come in? I got a mug. Oh, we got a mug and I am trying to pick it. There we go. Yeah! Bet you're afraid of that. Do we go on the train? Oh, I love trains. Choo-choo. Any ammo or anything? Doesn't look that way. Alright. Oh! Whee! I'm on a train! Check it, check it, check it, check it, check it, check it. Choo-choo! Goodbye, gate. Whee! This is like... Hey, don't move me from here. I'm watching this. Whee! If all of that... Oh, hold on. Oh, I can't close that. I was totally hoping. I'm sorry, what? Fine. Any zombies? Any zombies? Eat a mountain ladder. Mount. Alright, what's going on? Well, that looks like a dangerous thing in my mob. And over there looks to be nothing. So, hey, who's in charge of the train gate? Can you not see I was driving my train? Ah! Itchy nose. Driving train. Alright, what do we got? Whoa, hey, whoa! Ah, there you go. Was that someone outside? Was that someone outside? Hey, is there someone outside? Oh, jeez! Oh! Why do you guys look weirdly like the weird Star Trek people? I don't know why, but hey! Oh, come on. Thank you. Come on! Captain Kirk ain't got shit on me. Oh, hey! You can actually see it. Fantastic. Alright, come on. Jeez, he's even wearing the yellow shirt, just like Captain Kirk. Alright, blue, I believe, is science officer. Also known as dead officer. Oh. Ah, dang it! I'm gonna need a lot more ammo, if you don't mind. Oh, come on, just... Oh, come on! You guys seriously need to, like, run in a row or something like that. Give me, like... Oh, jeez! Oh, can we not? Fine, I'll kill him. Just let the zombies run. What is this, 28 days later? I am out of bullets? Wow, geez, that makes my life suck. Come on, eat a mount, eat a mount. There we go. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Sorry, nope, no passengers. You didn't have a train ticket. Great, I'm out of ammunition. Alright, well, at least we're back to the train. I enjoy my train rides. Not in my head. Coke, you are my favorite. Hey, something's on the tracks. Full ramming speed! Well now. That didn't work as I expected. I mean, we did bonk it, so I'm glad about that. How do I... I'll click people to death. Hello? Oh, I don't want to go down there. That looks like I'm gonna die. Oh, excuse me. Alright, what's this? Yeah, graffiti. Oh, we're back to the loading screen! Alright, I'm gonna click away this thing. This game's gonna be clickbait by the time I'm done clicking my gun at people. Yeah! Okay, no thank you. How did the world just... I mean, I know earthquakes exist, but, yeah, no. Just, no. Can I open this? No, I can't. Hello? Anyone who's not a zombie, I am okay talking to anyone who's not a zombie, or who has large stacks of ammo waiting for me. Any ammo? No, I'm not seeing ammo. Come on, game, I need some more ammo. I'm a terrible shot. We all know this. Oh, no, I don't want to deal with you. Hello? Let me in. Just gonna sneak by this guy. Sneak by. Can I kill him with a brick? That is not a throw. That is not a throw. When you said that you can throw stuff, I was expecting, you know, a throw. Oh, jeez. I'm gonna die because the game doesn't give me any more ammo and I can't kill stuff with the environment. Ugh. Screw you, game. Okay, go inside. Close the door. Close the door. Close the door. Game, why didn't you give me a melee weapon? I don't want to read the newspaper. TV is... That's not ammo, is it? Shut up. No one likes you. Coke. Oh, come on. There's literally nothing in here. There's nothing in here. Ah, that's what I think. Screw you, weird TV. Oh, at least it was plugged in. I really am enjoying the detail that they have for this. Is he just outside? I don't know. Quick, run! Maybe he doesn't see me. Hey, game, it'd be great if you gave me some ammunition! Instead of being chased by Henry the Zombie. That's right, I'm gonna start naming them. We all know stuff becomes a whole lot less scary once you start naming it. Is there... Oh, I can't get on the bus. Oh, what is this? Oh, geez, that... Hello? Oh, I'm sorry, I don't... Oh, ammunition, finally! 9 bullets. Well, great, that's going to defend me against what? A enemy, knowing my accuracy. Alright, what do we got? Hello. Hello? It's me. Ah, dang it. We're not connected either. Oh, oh no. Oh, jeez, come on, that was rude. So they can throw stuff, but I can't? Bullshit. Next guy that comes up to him throwing a freaking barrel at him. Huh? Barrel attack? Barrel him over? Fun adventures of barrels and... Oh, I love the sparking animation. I don't know who made this, but they did a really good job at, like, the physics. Minus the fact that throwing stuff at people does jack shit. High voltage area. Obviously we want to go into the high voltage area. Oh, this sounds like we're in water. Great, that's a great mixture. Oh, oh, come on! Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Hold on. He's working it. He's working it. Ow, dick. Guess what? Boom, motherfucker! Barrels for the win. But that's all we have time for. We're going to continue playing this next time. It seems to be a pretty fun game so far. I'm enjoying it. I'm throwing stuff around. I'm constantly out of bullets. Anyways, we'll continue this next time. So make sure to subscribe so you guys know when I'm uploading the next video. And until then, have a great evening. Bye-bye!